Hi, I'm Josephine Bush, and I'm presenting this year at Past Data Community Summit. And I think you should definitely join us. Honestly, it's such a great deal. I mean, it's free, it's online, it's so easy to attend. There's lots of great sessions. I used to have to wait at my last job to get my chance to go to Summit because we couldn't just have anybody go. And so we have to wait for our turn to have the company pay. And so we're always patiently waiting. Okay, somebody comes back. What did you learn? What did you learn? Knowledge transfer. So it's really nice now that it's free. And there's lots of great sessions. Like I said, there's also tracks and themes. So depending on what you want to learn, you can follow those. Also, there's just a lot of technical presentations, professional development, and diversity stuff. So there's really something for everyone. Maybe you can advance your current skill set, or you can learn new ones, maybe connect with the community. So there's really a lot to offer. And so I would love to see you there. Hope to see you soon.